Have you ever lain awake at night worrying about your family? Wondering if your kids are safe, if your spouse is protected on the road, or if your home is truly covered? Let me tell you something powerful today. The Bible says in Psalm 91, He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. That means your family is not left unguarded. They are surrounded by God's heavenly protection. Now, I don't know about you, but I take a lot of comfort in that. Because let's be real, life throws curveballs. There's sickness, accidents, even the unseen spiritual battles we don't talk about at dinner tables. And in moments like that, prayer is not just a religious ritual, it's our lifeline. When I think about prayer for family protection, I think about a spiritual shield. Imagine your loved ones walking through life with God's armor wrapped around them like an invisible force field you can't see but you know is there. That's what prayer does. It invites God into the very center of your home. Let's break it down. Protection isn't just about keeping danger away. It's about peace in the middle of chaos. Unity when disagreements try to tear us apart. And health when sickness tries to knock on the door. Proverbs 18:10 says, "The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run into it and are safe." That includes your family, your children, and even future generations. And honestly, I laugh sometimes because we lock our doors at night, install cameras, maybe even buy a big dog, but forget that the greatest security system we have is prayer. God never sleeps, and He doesn't charge monthly fees. So here's what I encourage you to pray. Lord, place your hand of protection over my family. Guard us from harm, from sickness, from division. Let your peace fill our home, and let love bind us together. Surround us with your angels and keep us safe in every step. Simple, powerful, straight from the heart. But don't just pray once and forget it. Make it a daily habit, just like we feed our bodies. We need to feed our families spiritually through prayer. Even if it's 5 minutes before school or right before bed and filled with peace, that prayer becomes a covering that no enemy can penetrate. So if you want your home to feel safe, don't underestimate the power of prayer. Your words, spoken in faith, can move heaven on behalf of your loved ones. Friend, if this message blessed you, don't forget to subscribe for more Bible-based prayers and encouragement. Because at the end of the day, family is a gift from God and He delights in protecting what He gives.